Well, people across our area remembering and honoring those who lost their lives in the pandemic as Mayor de Blasio calls for dramatic changes in his ability to use his dwindling supply of vaccine. CBS 2 political reporter Marcia Kramer now with more.
A delay in shipments of the Moderna vaccine, the need to cancel 23,000 appointments, lead Mayor de Blasio to demand an okay to use shipments earmarked for second doses to give tens of thousands of New Yorkers their first shot.
My frustration is a lot of vaccine, 65,000 doses sitting in a refrigerator on an artificial reserve when we need them right now.
And when questions were raised about whether people who already got their first doses would be denied their second dose, officials say they would get it even if it was slightly delayed. They maintain a delay in the second dose won't matter.
It was included in part of the protocols. In some of the protocols, they allowed a valid dose to be given up to 7 days or even several weeks longer.
This comes as the nation marked an agonizing anniversary, the first COVID case reported in the United States. Social distancing and mask wearing not enough to prevent over 400,000 people from losing their lives to the virus. Those who lost loved ones mourned at the steps of City Hall in Jersey City Tuesday. When Sibylla Khan's father passed away last April, she didn't get to say goodbye.
Remember the faces behind the numbers, to remember that they had names, they had lives, they loved, they had families that they've now left behind, and they died horrible, lonely deaths. And that's what I want the country to remember.
As part of a National Day of Remembrance, the Empire State Building was lit up. Meanwhile, Mayor de Blasio was just one of many in New York who say they need more vaccine. Rockland County Executive Ed Day says he wants Albany to send more doses to his county, which is completely out of vaccine.
This is bureaucratic arrogance. It's pathetic and it's sad.
And in New York City, a limited supply has forced hospitals and vaccination sites to cancel appointments. Many New Yorkers not thinking this is where they'd be 1 year later. I'm Marcia Kramer, CBS 2 News.
And stay with CBS 2 for continuing coverage on the vaccine supply. We have more information on our website as well as links to make an appointment for a vaccine in the tri-state area, and that's all at cbsnewyork.com.